In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add TXT record in DNS Namecheap. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add many types of records, but more specifically a TXT record to your domain on Namecheap. It is very straightforward and the option is always going to be available. All that you have to do is go over to namecheap.com, sign into your account, and access your domain list. You will then be able to see all of the domains currently attributed to your account. In here, click Manage at the right side of a specific domain that you would like to add a TXT record for. Keep in mind that for the prerequisites, like I said, you need to have your domain registered on Namecheap itself, and you need to have the TXT record value, aka the specific text string that you want to add. This is going to be usually provided by the service that you are trying to verify or connect with your domain. Now, after you click Manage, there are going to be a bunch of categories at the top, and all that you have to do is access the Advanced DNS tab. In there, you will find the option to add a new record. Click on that button, and now you can customize the record. And as you might expect, under the Type drop-down menu, you will be able to choose TXT record. So select that option, and now in the host field, enter the following depending on what you need. For a record at the domain root level, for example, to verify domain ownership, enter an @ so you will be able to use it to represent the root domain. For a record on a subdomain, enter the specific subdomain name, and in the value field, paste the TXT record value that you have obtained from the service that you are connecting with. Save all the changes and you will be good to go. Keep in mind that it can take up to 30 minutes for the TXT record changes to propagate across the internet and become active, and of course double check to see if you copy and pasted the TXT record value accordingly. I hope I was able to help you on how to add TXT record to Namecheap. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.